In life, misfortune happens at breakneck pace. With the creation of social media and the constant need to record everything, any misfortunes or mishaps you may suffer could be broadcasted across the world. In this age, misfortune may last forever. In the case of Rygin King, his misfortune provides the opportunity for a meteoric rise and a road to transformation and redemption. But before we dive into the gigantic opportunity Rygin King has before him, please like and subscribe for dancehall content. In the midst of difficulties, we are always ready to seize an advantage. We may extricate ourselves from misfortune. Misfortunes are often a part of either your downfall or a great ascension. In these times, we may have things taken from us, our sight, our loved ones, our mental health, even our ability to walk. We may think that we are in the lowest point of our lives and there is nothing or no one to help us. In these times, we tend to ignore the glimmer of light in the dark tunnel of our despair. In the midst of despair, we have to grab hold of any light we may feel or we may think is there, and pull ourselves from the depths of self-pity and paralysis. What Rygin King faces now is the creation of his new self. He will either break under the weight of his circumstances or ascend higher than anyone would have thought that he could. Regardless of if he is paralyzed, blind, or unable to speak, he can overcome these circumstances. Adjusting and adapting to his circumstances are paramount currently. Focusing on what fills his soul with joy and purpose would numb the growing pains of adjusting to his new normal. A king rules regardless of fortune or misfortune, guided by his will, cunning, and the strength to persevere.